passion for cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. Today I'm going to make a leftover rotisserie chicken soup, perfect for this cool winter season. My kids love it. Very easy and a healthy soup and a great way to use up leftover chicken parts. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
This is my leftover rotisserie chicken. Slice it up. I don't chop the bones because my little one doesn't like bone while he eats. You may use your favorite vegetables. Today I'm using just carrots and potatoes. 1 onion sliced, 1 potato chopped, 1 celery stalk chopped, and 2 carrots sliced. In a big pot, add 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Once it's hot, add onion and fry till it turns brown. Add salt to taste. Adding salt makes onion cooks faster. Add carrots, potatoes, along with turmeric powder, and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add chopped celery and fry it. Add the chicken to the rest of the ingredients and mix it well. I'm using 32 ounces of chicken broth instead of water. Add chicken broth, mix it well, cover it and cook on low for 20 minutes or until the meat comes off the bone. Add fresh rosemary. This is completely optional, but it gives more flavor to the soup. And chop cilantro and bring it to a boil on medium heat. All the meat will come off from the bone, or you may use a fork to separate the meat from the bone. Turn the stove off and let it stand for 5 minutes before you serve. It came out very well. All the meat came off from the bone. I also made some brown basmati rice separately. If you want, you may add rice while you cook, but it will soak up all the liquid later. I just add rice to each bowl when I serve. Okay, I'm going to serve my yummy soup. Take a soup bowl, add some rice, and pour the soup on the top. I can't wait to taste it. And enjoy it with garlic toast for a side dish.
You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.